Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in last video we have seen about pie charts. Today we will learn about scatter plots. So scatter plot is mainly used to understand the correlation between two or more variables. So scatter plots are great when you want to show relationship between two or more set of values. So here I am importing our Matplotlib library. Matplotlib import pyplot as plt. For plotting our scatter plot we need some data. So this is our data. You can get this data from our description box. So this is a random data. Okay, now I wanna plot a scatter plot of this data. So I just call one method that is called plt.scatter. In that I am going to pass x and y axis. Now I am here call plt.show method for visualize our data. So guys, you can see this is our scatter plot. In this scatter plot guys, you can increase the size of these points by passing an argument s is equal to any size you want. Example for I am here giving 100. Now I am going to run our code. So now you can see this. Okay, you can also customize the marker. So here I am passing marker is equal to, example for I am passing star. So this is our plot. You can pass any marker you want. You can see all markers type from matplotlib.org website. Okay, here also you can pass color of your points. Example for here I am passing green. So guys, you can see this. One another thing is that you can also set edge color to our scatter plot. So I am setting here edge color as a black. Okay, so now this is looking pretty good. You can also increase the edge color value by passing the line width. Here I am passing 5. Okay, this is too much. So you can set as you want. I am setting 0.5. Okay, so another parameter that you can pass is alpha value. If you don't know what is alpha value, so basically alpha value meaning is rate of points visibility, and then you can pass the alpha value between 0 to 1. Here I am passing alpha value as a 0.5. Now you can see this. Okay, so another option is that you can set color range in between 1 to 10. So I already have a data of color. So this is nothing but this is basically a random numbers between 1 to 10, and now I am here passing c is equal to color, and I am just going to run this code. So guys, this is our scatter plot with random colors. Okay, so another option is that you can also pass a label to our scatter plot. I am here passing happy. I am just passing randomly, and you have to pass also plt.legend method without passing any arguments. So guys, this is our label. The another great option is that you can also set a color bar. So here I am just making a object of color bar, plt.colorbar. Okay, so now I am just going to run our code. So guys, you can see this is our color bar. You can also set a label to our color bar. For that you have to pass cbar.set label. In that you can pass, I am just here passing happiness. Okay, you can pass anything you want. So this is our color bar. So guys, this is our scatter plot. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any query about this scatter plot, you can ask me in our comment section.